What is up, T Nation? Welcome or welcome back to another video. You already know it's me, Taz. So today I am coming back with another waxing video, and today I am waxing my own legs, guys. Yes, I'm gonna be doing my own legs. My girlfriend is completely safe. So I'm using the same 3 ingredients I used in my last waxing video. I just cooked it a little bit less. The color should come out like honey, and when it sits, it turns out to the perfect consistency, guys. So I'm going to show you guys how to wax your legs the right and the safe way, and I hope you guys try this recipe. When I wax my legs, I only have to retouch it about every other week, so this is a very easy and effective way to wax your legs. But I'm just going to go ahead and jump straight into the video. The wax came out perfectly, guys, but I did want mine a little bit thicker. I made soft wax, so I had to come up with some type of cotton fabric. So I found a bed sheet and I cut some strips and I made some cotton fabric strips, and those are going to be my wax strips. So I just went ahead and placed those on my legs. This is the consistency after it's sat for about 10 minutes, so it definitely thickens over time, guys. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and clean up my legs. I'm taking that cotton strip and I'm going to go ahead and dab it all over my legs to pick up all the excess sugar. I'm going to go ahead and finish that up, but I only recorded one leg for you guys today. Unfortunately, I'm recording with my camera today, guys. Sometimes I go back and forth with my phone and my camera, so I only recorded one leg just so you guys can get the idea of how I do this. But I went ahead and moisturized with my Vaseline, and I'm telling you that is literally it, guys. So these are the results, and like I told you, I only have to touch them up every week and a half. And y'all, my ring light cord is not letting me be great, but like I said, I definitely recommend this wax. It is easy to make at home, it's effective, and it gives lasting results. So make sure y'all click the like button if y'all like this video, and don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.